once the sun goes down and it's dark in here, I'll switch my GoPro over to a head strap which sits up on my cap here, and you'll basically see what I see with the torch. How I've got the GoPro facing me at the moment in the darkness, it'd be better to get my point of view looking out in the rainforest, so you get any activity, any movement, you'll at least hear it if you don't see it, or hopefully you get both, see something and hear it. It's already getting quite dark in here because of the canopies of the trees here. This walking track, it's not a soul on the site, simply because of the time of day. It's going to be dark soon, so any tourists that do come out here to have a look at this beautiful rainforest along this walking track, generally long gone. I'm walking along this track now, as I mentioned in another one of my videos, 8 weeks or so ago, when I put my camera out here. It's about 3k walk to where I head off down this embankment, which is about 70-degree angle into the rainforest. So I'm on this track at the moment, but then I head off into the rainforest and then go in there. So it would get pretty dark in there tonight. I'm on the track. See down here? I'm going to go down there, but it's actually about 70-degree angle. So I'm going to go down there and then go in. So I've just switched the GoPro over from my handheld, where it faces me and I talk, to my cap, so you can see my point of view. Alright, this is the dangerous part. You'll be so careful when you do solo trips like this. You don't break a leg or worse. Okay. There's so many rocks and boulders and stuff that's loose here. You have to be so careful here. plan is I want to get to my tree camera before it gets too dark, because even though I know this area quite well in here, the rainforest looks the same once it's dark. You know, all the trees and ferns and everything look very similar. So if I get my bearings while it's still daylight, once I've checked the camera, I generally can find my way back pretty good.